Yo guys, it is Maddox Haunts, and today we have the new for Spirit Halloween 2024 Shirley Stab. Okay. So, one thing I want to say is when we're in this unboxing, there might be a little bit of thunder, lightning. There is a storm going on right now, but that shouldn't be any problem other than that. So, first up, I don't know if this even wants to come out. Probably have to lean the box over and pull this part out, but she is crazy crate packed. Okay. So first piece we can actually take out is her instructions right here, and her adapter as well, full colored instructions as well. Pretty cool. We have one of her, it's a zip tie we can cut real quick. Here is one of her legs right here. And these are blow molded. So they're hollow inside. I like that design though, it looks really realistic. It's hard plastic as well, so that's pretty cool. First leg right there with her high heel. Pretty cool, good detail. Looks like a real person's leg. Next up we have the same thing on the other side, just another leg. I'm not gonna unwrap that one because we already saw one, but that's number two. Next, we can actually take out her head. Right here, she didn't look like she had a lot of pieces, so this should be a fairly easy setup. Okay, wow, and here she is. I took the plastic off. Oh, there's padding, foam padding as well. So there she is, Shirley Stab. Let's get a close-up of that face. Absolutely amazing. Very good sculpt. I love this design though, very, very cool. I like the hair, it looks realistic. It looks like feels like a real person's hair, everything. But there she is. Next up we have her hip loop right here. And we're almost done. Here is her clothes. And her hands come inside of the clothes, so it's easier. There is her knife, very, very cool. And her other hand, so there's her I want like her diner dress, because I think she's like a diner prop. She's gonna go great in my butcher, like my kitchen section. It'll be awesome. But yeah, she's kind of a diner prop, so I think that's why she's wearing like, you know, that kind of outfit. Next up, we got her control box right here. Pretty cool. Next, we have her base. I'm just gonna cut these zip ties real quick. So her base right here, pretty heavy base, normal Spirit base right there. And then finally we have her 4 leg pulls, or I think these are leg pulls, I'm pretty positive, or body pulls, but there they are right there. That is everything outside of the box. Now let's go straight to the setup. Okay, so let's start. So we're gonna take our pull labeled A, and we're gonna snap lock it into the base. And you're gonna do the same thing for the other side, pull label A as well, just like so, very easy. Then you're gonna take your pull label B, snap lock it in right there, like that, perfect. Very easy. Then you're gonna take her shoes. They are labeled left and right on a little sticker here, so this is her left. And you're just gonna slide it down just like so. And there's a little shoe brackets so they fit in, so they won't be sliding around everywhere. Very simple so far. Okay, just like that. Next step, you're gonna want to take your control box and you're gonna want to snap lock it right here, C to C. Just like that, a little bit force, it's perfect. Okay, next, you're gonna take our hip loop, and they're color coded so you know which side goes where. And yellow to yellow, just like that, and green, well that's kind of like teal. Teal to teal. Now, we're gonna move the camera up and we'll continue the setup. Okay, and next step, you're gonna grab her clothes and you're basically just gonna throw it over. And we're just gonna basically throw her clothes down. But yeah, so let's actually go to the next step once I do this. Okay, but next step, you're gonna take your D to D connection and you're gonna attach her head, ow, just like that. I got my fingers. Okay, so next step, you're gonna take her left arm and you're gonna attach it just like this. Just like that, perfect. So it should be in that stabbing motion, just like Michael Myers kind of, sort of. Now, we're gonna take her right arm, which is right here, and we're gonna try to snap lock it. Yeah. So I finally got her hand in. That was a little bit of a struggle because the metal was kind of bent, so I had to like bend it a little bit. But anyways, so let's pull her clothes up, attach this Velcro back here. Now, let's go straight to the demo. All right, here we go. Shirley? Okay, you guys, so there she was, Shirley Stab from Spirit Halloween 2024. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave me a comment down below on what more you want to see on this channel. And yes, so it was Maddox Haunts. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.